Hey, the Vancouver Islands, Winter here with Island GM. I have here the 2014 Tahoe LS we have here on the lot. It's a 7-seat passenger vehicle, so it's great for family road trips or to parents who have kids who play sports. You're going to love this. It's got a 5.3-liter V8 inside, 6-speed automatic transmission. It's got halogen headlights for those dark Vancouver Island nights, so you and your family see everything. It's got 22-inch aftermarket rims on brand new mud and snow tires as well. Looking inside to the cloth interior, you're going to have powered windows next to your powered mirrors. You're going to have your light settings next to your 4-wheel drive options. You're going to have hands-free on the steering wheel, and you're also going to have a tow haul mode selector on the shifter. Your second row is a bench seat with all accessible reaching to the AC options, as well as having a third row for additional passengers as well. This vehicle comes with a heavy-duty locking differential in the back, parking sensors, backup camera, and a factory-installed tow hitch. This vehicle also has a remote start. If this is a vehicle that you and your family can see having in your near future, give me a call. My cell is 250-709-5688.